Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the date format on the fandom.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then tap on this profile button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then tap on View Profile. After that, tap on this button again and click on My Preferences. Go to the top of this section and tap on Appearance, which is the third button. Scroll down to the Date Format section, and here you can set or select from 4 options. Here you can see them, or you can also set no preference. Tap on the relevant one, then scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on the Save button to update the date format of the website. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.